In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a low resolution logo to a high resolution vector in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, look for the button that lets you create a new design. It's usually labeled Create a Design. Go ahead and click that. This tells Canva you're starting something from scratch rather than editing an existing template. Next, you'll be asked to select a size for your new design. For logos, it's best to start with a fairly large canvas so you can see details clearly. You can either choose one of Canva's preset sizes, like a square logo format, or enter custom dimensions. A large square, such as 2000 by 2000 pixels, works well, but use whatever dimensions make sense for your project. Once you've picked your size, Canva will open up a blank design page. Now you're ready to bring in your low resolution logo. On the left-hand side of the screen, find the Uploads tab and click on the button that says Upload or Upload Files. This opens a window where you can browse your computer, locate your logo file, select it and confirm. Canva will upload the image and you'll see it appear in your Uploads panel. Click on the uploaded logo to place it onto your blank canvas. You can drag the corners to resize it and move it to the center, so it's easy to work with. With the logo selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. Find the option labeled Transparency and click it. A slider will appear. Adjust this slider down to around 30. Setting the transparency to roughly 30% helps you see the logo while also making it easier to trace or layer new elements on top if needed. Once you're happy with the setup and any adjustments you've made, it's time to export your logo as a vector file. Go to the top right corner and click the Share button. In the menu that appears, choose Download. Canva will show a file type drop-down. Click on File Type, and from the list, select SVG. SVG